In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact form on Google Sites. We'll start right inside your site's canvas in the Google Sites editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want your visitors to reach you, such as a contact page or your home page. With the editor open, look to the right side of the screen for the Insert sidebar. This is where Google Sites keeps all the building blocks you can add to your page. In the Insert sidebar, find and click Forms. This option connects directly to your Google Forms, which is the easiest way to collect names, emails, messages, and any other details you need. When you click Forms, a panel will open showing the forms that are available to you. You should see any contact form you've already created in Google Forms listed here. If you don't immediately see it, double check that you're signed into the correct Google account and that the form is saved in that account. Once your forms appear, select the one you want to use as your contact form. You'll get a quick preview so you can confirm it's the right one. When you're sure, click Insert. Google Sites will place the form onto your canvas exactly where your cursor was, and you'll see it as a content block within your page layout. From here, adjust it the way you like. Drag the blue handles on the edges to resize the form so it fits your design. You can pull it wider to match your page, or keep it narrower for a clean, focused look. If your page uses columns, you can drag the form between columns until you see the blue placement guide. To fine-tune spacing, position the form above or below other sections until the layout feels balanced and easy to read. If your site theme supports it, consider setting a contrasting section background behind the form to make it stand out. Remember that styling inside Google Sites controls the placement and size, while the form's actual questions, confirmation message, and colors are managed in Google Forms. If you want a specific field order, required fields like name, email, and message, or a custom thank you note, update those in the form itself and the embedded version will reflect your changes. And that's it. You've brought your contact form into Google Sites, placed it where it belongs, and sized it for a great visitor experience. Submissions will automatically flow into the responses section of your Google form, so you can review messages and follow up without any extra setup.